Another little package arrived today from, who's it from? Narrow Planet, Epsilon C. So I think I know what this is. Let's have a look. Kerr, Stuart Victory. I wonder if it's got sound or not, because they did write to their purchasers to say that they were having trouble getting hold of the sound chips, and offering to send out the locomotives DCC ready with the chips to follow. Well, let's see what it looks like. Bit of information about the model. This is the inland waterway and dock version in grey, and that's the one that features in the information sheet. Information about fitting the decoder and looking after the model. There it is. Well packaged. Little bag of detailed parts, including etched maker's plate. Let's have a look. Looks very good. This is number 12. There were 10 of these locomotives built around 1917 for waterways and docks, mostly operated in the south. And this one, number 12, this one, number 12, was posted to Portsmouth. Later on, Manchester Collieries, and it was named Francis. 1947, it went to National Coal Board at Astley Green, and was scrapped in 1968. The last of them being scrapped in 1969. None survived into preservation. Let's have a look at the locomotive. Take the wrapper off. Do love that livery. Looks immaculate. Let's look at the front. Separately fitted smoke but darts, handrails, lamp irons, and a nice metal hook. That's good. Narrow end pockets, of course. Yeah. And what do we have? I think these are metal, yes. Brass, safety valves and whistle. Little seam across the top. Nicely detailed cab interior with gauges and brass pipe work. And then the back of the locomotive, number 12. Yeah, and the underside. brake rigging fitted. See how it runs. So what is extremely noticeable is the weight. Good 600 grams. Solid die cast chassis and body, I would think. Let's see what happens. Very, very good. Slow running is superb on this model. Very low gearing, so that's full speed. It's all quite slow. There we go. The model is DCC ready at the moment, sound chip to follow, which is an X18. There is a built-in speaker, I understand, so it should be pretty straightforward to fit. Do like the slow running of the model. Very typical, I guess, of Dockland shunting. That's it, folks.